Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Iraq. So this is the usual shape of the flags. You can see that this is a rectangular shape, and in the middle you can see the Arabic writings, and it has two different colors. So on the top portion, let's put the outlines with the red color, so that the rectangle on the top portion we're going to fill up it with the red color, and the another portion which is below this rectangle is going to be the black color, so I am putting an outline of the black color here. Awesome. Okay, now I am going to fill up the top portion with the red pencil. All right, I'm going to fill up the top portion with the red color, so you can see the field of segments here, and the color is as uniform as possible. I try to make it, and in between this space is going to be the white color, and in the bottom part I'm going to put the black color here. So taking the black pencil, and I already start filling up the area. This rectangle is much longer and narrow in the side, filling up the corners, moving to the upward direction. All right, and progressing to the right side, you can see. Now I'll fill up the corners on the right side. Okay, so this is the complete flag of the Iraq. So I like the whole drawing to be as uniform as possible. I have tried to make, and this is the closest presentations of the flag. All right, you can practice at home and you can draw better of flags of different countries. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. You can also browse through the playlist to select different types of drawings in different categories. The flag drawing is only one of those categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.